All right, so I wanted to show a quick video. I did a video recently showing you how the key fob works to open the top, but I haven't really done this too much really at night, and the reason why I wanted to show you is just how clean the trunk is here in this car. It's got the nice carpet kit for it, and apologize, it's a little dark, but it's super nice. I do need to get in here a little bit. I don't know, maybe like a little stain right there. You know, a couple little things, normal stuff that you're going to have. I'm not too concerned with this being super, super nice. I mean, this is way nicer than anything I've had. I'll talk more about this bar in the future. I did mention it. John Cashman's mentioned it. This is a bar that you want to put on your convertible 61 through 65. You can easily do this. There's someone that actually sells a kit, but it's pretty simple. I'll talk about that in the future. But really what I just wanted to show is with that LED light in there, it does, of course, consume less power, and it also is a lot brighter. You can see how nice it is, and what I'm going to keep doing here is putting the top down here. I'm just, again, holding this button, and I'm going to move my drink here, or this cup. And then you hear the locks. You can kind of see how the LED lights look in here at night. We're gonna go for a quick cruise with one of my buddies. We're gonna go to dinner for his birthday and my born day. His was last month, but we haven't had a chance to link up. The boys will be going with us as well. And you can kind of see here, it definitely makes it nicer with that LED there. I've even seen people talk about, like, it will drain your battery. Like, if it wasn't an LED, I would have just disconnected the bulb, you know, because it shows with the deck lid partially up. It definitely will drain your, you know, you can see the auto drop there. And a few little things I need to get out of the car. But what I wanted to display was just how nice these LEDs are. One thing that I do appreciate is he left the factory bulbs, and with the doors open and stuff, it's kind of a little harder to see. You kind of have the normal incandescent bulb, I believe it's referred to as. He does have the LEDs here in the map lights, which again makes a huge difference. But you know, just getting exiting and entering the car is, to me, just so much nicer with the LED bulbs here. Again, this is a super nice car. I mean, I've done some videos with my 64, the blue car, but this has the carpet kit with the pad there, which is a typical thing you're going to get when you use the usual suspects for the kits. The kick panels, again, I know it's nighttime, but you can kind of see there. That's one of the really only customized things that he's done, besides the, you can see the floor mats and LEDs, a few little things here and there. But yeah, just wanted to kind of show you what it looks like with the LEDs at night, entering and exiting the car. It's a nice night here in Florida. We'll just put a hoodie on and roll with the top down. So make sure you please subscribe if you want to see more. This is a red 65 that we're calling Rita Hayworth, and much more to come. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Take care.